Good morning. This is Ron from Lake Gregory Weather. It's Saturday, November 23rd, and currently we have clear skies here in Crestline, California, and light winds across the lake. Not much. You can see it's still some glassy areas over there, and there's a light wind coming out of the northeast at the current time, about a couple miles an hour. Temperature is about 49 degrees this morning, and it's quite pleasant out. So we'll do a quick look at what's coming for the rest of the day, and we'll get started right here. Alrighty, so here's the latest infrared satellite picture, and there's some rain falling up to the north right now. This is Point Conception right here, and it's just starting to rain in the Santa Barbara area, and it's clearing out to the north from the Bay Area down to about San Luis Obispo. And this is what's left of the atmospheric river that has brought so much rain to the northern part of the state, but it's pretty much wiping out. There's a little bit of a front right here going to come through, and this will be coming through our area later today, bringing a little bit of rain. And then up here we have a cold core low that's developing with, you can see all these cotton type clouds around it, indicating this is going to be a much colder system as it arrives. And this will be here for Monday and Tuesday, it looks like, at the moment. So switching over to the radar, this is the composite radar. And you can see up to the north, it's dried out quite a bit. There's still a little bit of shower activity heading into the Sacramento area at this time this morning. But basically from Sacramento to Bakersfield, it's cleared up. And we do have this little area of rain, this band of rain showers that's moving through the Santa Barbara area and Ventura. It'll be arriving here later this afternoon or maybe early this evening, so we can expect to see a few showers by tonight. And the rainfall amounts are looking to be around a half inch or less at this time, or as it looks now. And it'll be a quick moving thing. It'll go through mostly overnight tonight and should be clearing out by tomorrow for down here in Crestline. So this is a forecast model for the rainfall that we expect to fall across California today. And we'll start this up at about, this is 7 o'clock this morning, and you can see that they're pretty accurate. This rain is just starting to fall right across the Point Conception here and into the Santa Barbara Ventura area. Just starting to pick up some rainfall now. And as we move through the morning here, we'll get this thing to work. That's about 10 o'clock. And then this will be just starting to see possibly a couple of showers down here in the Ontario and our west side of our mountains here. And this is by 2 o'clock this afternoon. And then we'll get some rain throughout the afternoon. And then it pretty much clears up around just a little after midnight. So it'll be about a 6-hour rainstorm that'll come through as it looks now. And the rainfall amounts won't be terribly high. Like I said, probably a half inch or less. So this will be the accumulated rainfall forecast for our area in Southern California here. So as we move through the day, this will be again by midnight, and the amounts here in our area right here are going to be this color green, which corresponds with about a half inch of rain for the mountains. So the west facing slopes will get a little bit more due to orographic enhancement from the moisture flowing up against the side of the mountain that can't make it over until it lightens up some of the moisture, and the clouds will move across, and then that'll be drying them out. So anyways, we can look for about a half inch of rain as it looks at the moment. So moving on to the next question that everybody has will be the snow levels. And the current forecast for the Southern California area around the Santa Ana River and San Bernardino Riverside areas. The freezing level is expected to stay around 700 millibars, or around 10,000 feet. So you can expect to see snow maybe 1,000 feet below that. We do have a little dip right here on the for Monday. It's going to bring the snow levels down to maybe, we might see some snow flurries down to 7,000 feet, but any accumulations will be above that as it looks right now. And then this next little shot is going to come through Monday through Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday. This will be, again, have a high snow levels as it looks now. This is the current forecast from the GEFS models. That's an ensemble of the GFS. So that's pretty much how it looks right now. This blue line is the one I go off of. And that's pretty much how it looks right now for snow. So it's going to be another area of just light rain and high level snow again. And switching back over to the radar scope, we have some interesting developments here. Just came across reports of possibly a tornado out in the Visalia area, east of Visalia and out by Porterville. So that's kind of an interesting development. It shows there's a lot of convective activity out over that way and some circulation around this leading edge of the storm. So it's kind of interesting right there. And that's going on as of we speak here at 7:30 this morning. So we'll go ahead and finish this up with a 500 millibar chart. And this is a Northeast Pacific. And there's an area of low pressure up here off of the British Columbia area that's got the circulation here that's feeding this atmospheric river into the northern parts of the state and slowly moving south into Southern California as it fades away. And this is what it looks like going into tomorrow morning early. We've got an area of high pressure down here, which has kind of been buffering the systems that have been going through the Pacific Northwest and maintaining the trajectory up there into that area. The winds are wrapped around the low, the jet stream, and then the southern branch of the jet stream down here, which has been pretty much keeping the storm track to the north of our area. But it's kind of weakened a little bit, and this low is going to move through. As we head into Monday and Tuesday, we've got a little ripple coming through here that's going to, a little short wave that's going to bring some more chances for rain to the area. But again, it doesn't look like anything significant at this time. We don't really have any big or systems coming through. And it looks like it's just going to pretty much stay that way all the way into December. So that's kind of how it looks at the moment. Really nothing significant on the horizon for our area down here in Southern California. So we'll just keep an eye out on things. But it looks like, let's back up here and take a look at Thursday's weather. This is for Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. And it looks like we're going to be pretty much under a weak ridge of high pressure. And so Thanksgiving Day should be pretty nice. Again, this is throughout the day into Friday, and we're going to have this little ridge of high pressure over us. So it should be very nice weather. We'll probably have a little bit of an offshore flow, and but it's not going to be anything significant either. Then we have this low out here, which we don't really know what it's going to do. It's a little too far out to be sure of anything at this point, but that's something to keep an eye on. It'll probably do nothing more than strengthen the onshore flow going into the weekend after Thanksgiving, and it just keep things pretty seasonal for this time of year. So anyway, this is Ron from Lake Ergy Weather. That's kind of a wrap up of what it looks like this morning, and I'll be doing my normal post on my LakeErgyWeather.com website a little bit later this morning. So have a good day. We'll catch you later.